This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel, and I am so excited to bring you this dish here. So I want to get started right away because, you know, I'm just so pumped up about bringing this exciting dish to you. I want you to get it now. So what we're going to do here, I have some boneless, skinless chicken thigh. That's right, boneless, skinless chicken thigh. And what I did is I made some stovetop stuffing right here. And on the thigh, I put some seasoning on it. I put some paprika, some garlic, some black pepper, seasoning salt, some sea salt, and I mixed it, I rubbed it all in the thigh, and that's my seasoning. So remember, seasoning is your choice. You can put your different kind of seasoning or the kind you like, or you can use what I've used. Either way that it makes you happy, okay? But this is my suggestion, all right? So I took the thigh and I laid it out flat, and then I put some stuffing on it right here. And I rolled it up. So I left a couple so I can show you how I'm gonna do it, okay? So here we go. So we're gonna take some stuffing, about that much, like you're gonna make a very small patty. And you shape it like a football, okay? Like that. Then you're gonna put it on. You want to start with the smallest end first. That piece broke off, but we're gonna work it. Okay, and then we're gonna roll it over. Well, since that broke off, I have to do like this. Okay, we're gonna have hopefully have better luck with this one. Let's try another one. When you make your stuffing, you don't want it watery. You want it a nice thick paste so it stays together, okay? So I rolled it up like a football, and there's the end result. So now we're gonna roll it in the chicken thigh, the boneless chicken thigh, okay? And so we gotta look like that, all right? On the top, you wanna sprinkle some paprika. I did not put paprika inside with the other seasoning. I only put it on the top, as you can see. All right? Now, we're gonna spray the top. And I'm spraying with some butter-flavored cooking spray, okay? All right, so now we're gonna put it in. I've already sprayed inside. I'm gonna spray a little more. That's to make sure that the product doesn't stick, okay? All right, so let's load it up. Okay, I'm only gonna put 4 in, and because I don't want to overcrowd it, and I want to give it plenty of space for the air to float around. You know, the Nuwave air fryer, it cooks with air. So if it's crowded, I've learned it cannot circulate well enough to cook the food in a fast time, okay? So all right, I'm gonna put it in now. So we're gonna pick this up. I put it in, and I'm gonna hit clear to clear off all previous temperatures and that sort of thing. So now we're gonna hit the on button again, and now we're gonna hit preheat. You're gonna do that because you need it to heat up first so that it's nice and hot. So when you set your temperature, it's accurate. Then you're gonna hit the temperature control button one time. So we're gonna cook it on 360. And that's right, and you hit the temperature control button again, and we're gonna let that heat up for 10 minutes. So we're gonna hit start. Okay, and it has started, and we will be back. So I'm back, and as you can see, the machine says ready. Even though the number 4 is still counting down, once it says ready, we are ready to set the cooking time, okay? So I want to stop it. Stopping it, you can do 2 ways. You can open the door, or you can hit this button here. All right, so now we're gonna shut it. We're gonna clear off everything, right down to nothing, okay? Hit on. Now we're gonna hit temperature. It's already at 360, so we're good because that's the temperature we wanna cook it at. The 360 is how hot you want the heat to be. So when you're frying something like chicken, you want it at 360, okay? All right, so now we're gonna hit the time to tell how much time we want it to cook. So we're gonna hit, I'm gonna hit 6 minutes, and then, so you see it was started at 10, right? So you hit this arrow down to take it down to 6 minutes, and then you're gonna hit the middle red button, this is for the start, and you hit it one more time. Ah, I'm messing up. Okay, we're on 6 minutes. Okay, YouTube, so you can see our time have ended. Our 6 minutes we said have ended. So we're gonna take a look and see how the stuffed chicken came out, okay? Let's take a look. I'll take it out. Wow. How do you think that looked, Darius?
Looks nice and crispy.
Nice and crispy?
Oh,
okay.
that piece does too, and that one was extra crispy.
Well, give me a second. I gotta get a thermometer. So I have a thermometer so that we can check the temperature. Remember, chicken starts at is cooked at 165. Okay. So let's put it in. And it's rising up. Can you see that? Okay, it's not getting up to 165, so that means it's not quite done. So I'm gonna put it back in and let that cook a few more minutes. See, even though that looks, it's not. So we're gonna set that for another 2 minutes. So it's at 360, that's right. Hit the time again. We're gonna arrow down for 2 minutes. And then hit the start button. All right, that will be a total of 8 minutes. 6 minutes we started out. I'm putting it back in for another 2 minutes. So it's really important for you to get a thermometer, because then you know by all means whether the meat is done or not. And that's very, very important so that you can not get sick and you're not eating raw meat, and it's just more healthier and a wise thing to do, okay? So I came up with this recipe because I like stuffing, and you know, usually we only eat stuffing with turkey, once in a while with a roasted chicken in the oven. But, you know, to wrap it around the stuffing so that when you take that fork and you cut into it, I think that and you eat it all together, I think you'll like that taste. It sort of is like a creamy softness to the stuffing, and then you got the meat side. So when you mix the two together and it hits your tongue, it's pleasing. It reminds you of Thanksgiving, okay? All right, so we'll be back in about 1 minute, and that should cut off, and we'll check it, okay? So remember, we set it on 2 minutes, so we're down a few seconds now. right, thanks. Okay, we'll be back. So the 2 minutes have ended, as you can see. So we're gonna open it, take it out, and take a peek, okay? I'm gonna put it on the plate. I'm gonna check the temperature. Starting out. Okay, we're there. So you see, just that extra 2 minutes did it. Okay, very, very important. So I'm gonna take the others out so you can get a nice view. And there we have it. Okay. And I'll be back. I'm gonna knife and fork and we're gonna taste it. Okay. So I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna ask Darius to taste it to see how we like it, okay? I'll let you know. Let me taste it. Okay. Okay, so I have some. It's hot. That's what I was looking for. I like it. Very good. I think you'll like it too. But let's have Darius taste it, shall we? Darius, you want to get a fork and let me know how you like it?
Yep. Very crispy.
Okay. Might have helped if you used a knife.
Yeah.
But you're a guy, right? You can muscle that.
Try that. Look at that.
Okay.
Get some lighting action on that. All right.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Are you tasting or are you eating now?
I'm debating. Wow. That is something. You guys want to try that? That is good. Crunchy.
Great. So you see, that could be another option. You know, let's say for a special dinner or for Thanksgiving dinner. Maybe you don't want turkey. Maybe you don't want to cook a whole turkey, but you can still have something that reminds you of stuffing and turkey and chicken and all of that. So the chicken thigh matched up with the stovetop stuffing was a good match. It was like love made in heaven. Well, thank you. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel, and I'm out. And don't forget, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell if you want me to notify you, because I got some hot topics coming up. And don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to call them. Tell them, check it out. It's what? A 6 to 8 minute meal? Come on, 8 minutes, you're done? Wow, that's That's a good deal. Okay, bye.